Hi everybody, welcome back to another daily dose of jasetutorials. Today we got a short video. We have our compute benchmark test with our iPhone 6, iPhone 8, and iPhone SE. If you want to skip ahead to the results, it's going to be at 1 minute and 50 seconds in. B-roll is going to be at 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So let's get this thing going. We are using our Geekbench 4 app. So actually, I accidentally opened up another app right there. Let me close that out. Okay, here we go. Geekbench 4, compute benchmark. So I'm going to turn off my mic and I'll get back to you guys when we are closer to our results. Okay everyone, so we are almost done with our compute benchmark test. So let's get over to the results. So it appears that our iPhone 6 did a score of 4259, the iPhone 8 did a 15523, and our iPhone SE is a 10933. So the highest one, of course, is the iPhone 8. Coming in second is our iPhone SE. And surprisingly, the iPhone 6 is it's even like less than half of the iPhone SE. So looks like comparing the averages, iPhone 6 looks like it did pretty okay, better than the average. Our iPhone 8 did pretty well in terms of compute comparison from the average iPhone 8. And the iPhone SE did pretty good as well. So it looks like all of them are scored higher than the average. I'm actually surprised, but like I said, that's how these tests go. Hope everybody enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Take it easy.